this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily shoot video on your EOS 80D Canon SLR camera. All right, so anyway, when you shoot a picture, you just depress this little button over here on the plunger there, and it shoots your picture, like right here. I'm going to just shoot one real quick. Oh, all right, so the first thing you got to do is turn the camera on. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and let the sensor get clean, and then we're going to just shoot a picture. All right, we got the picture. That's how you do a picture. Right now, you can see there's the photo. It's going to be there for about 8 seconds. But if you come up to this little button right here, it's on the right-hand side of your viewer, you're going to see there's a little camera and then there's a video guy. So all you got to do to shoot video is push this down. Now we're in video mode, all right? And if I want to shoot video, I'm just going to press this start and stop button right in the middle of that little circle. And you're going to see a red dot pop up. That means we're recording. So right now I'm recording. See if I can get it to focus on this thing. There's my stereo and my guitar. I'm just kind of working it around a little bit. All right, and once you're finished and you've got your clip, you just click it again and the red dot disappears. Now, if we want to watch this, what we would do is we just come over here, click that. It's going to bring up the last clip that we did. All we got to do is play it. And watch, it just plays through. You might even be able to hear the sound. So anyway, it's kind of a shaky recording. But that's how you do it. That's how you do a video. So let's go ahead and I'll go through it one more time real quick. So first of all, you're going to be usually in photo. Click at the video, comes up, click your button, gives you that little red dot right there. You're finished, click it again, it turns it off. Bam, you got yourself another clip. And there it is. As you can see, this is a real short clip. And that's a quick tutorial on how to shoot video on your Canon 80D camera. If you have any questions or concerns about the camera, write them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with your Canon and other computer stuff. Whatever, peace.